Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kiraj Hamtani and today's topic is straight lines part 4. In part 1 we studied introduction and slope of the line. In part 2 we studied various forms of equation of straight line. In part 3 we studied the transformation of general equation of lines into different forms. Now in this part we are going to study distance of point from the line. Now when we have to calculate the perpendicular distance of line from a point to a line. Now we are provided with the point that is x1, y1 and we are provided with the line that is ax plus by equals 0. So length of perpendicular distance will be mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So coming on to question, the distance between the line and the point. So distance is equals to line which is given 12x minus 5y plus 9 by square root of coefficient of x square which is 12 square plus coefficient of y square which is minus 5 square. Putting x in place of x as 2 and in place of y as 1. So we'll get 12 into 2 minus 5 into 1 plus 9 by 144 plus 25. Thus 144 plus 25 will get 169. Square root of 169 is 13. So thus this value will be 12 into 2, 24. 24 minus 5. 24 minus 5 will be 19. 19 plus 9 is 28 by 30. So this is the distance of a point to 1 from the line 12x minus 5y plus 9. Coming on to next. Next is when we are provided with the two parallel lines. Let's suppose these are the two parallel lines and then we have to calculate the perpendicular distance between them. So in that case, the formula which we have to apply is C1 minus C2 divided by square root of a square plus b square. So now the question is, here we have to calculate the distance between the two parallel lines. So the two parallel lines are given over here, which is 3x minus 4y plus 9 equals 0, 6x minus 8y plus minus 15 equals 0. So when we are putting y is equals to 0 in equation number 1, let's suppose y is equals to 0, we'll put in equation number 1. So we'll get 3x is equals to minus 9, thus the value of x is minus 3. So the point is minus 3 comma 0 is a point on the line. Now we have to calculate length of perpendicular distance. So length of distance between these two lines will be, thus the d will be, equation is over here 6x, so 6 into minus 3 minus 8y, y is 0, 8 into 0 minus 15 divided by square root of 6 square plus minus 8 square. So thus the value will get over here 6 into 3 is minus 18 and minus 15 which is minus 33 upon 6 square, 36 plus 64 which is square root of 100. So the distance will come out to be 33 by 10. So this was the one method in which we calculated point and then from point we calculated the distance. Now we have one more method since these two lines are parallel to each other, because in question already it is given. So the formula, direct formula which we had is C1 minus C2. So C1 minus C2 is mod of C1 minus C2, which will be 9 minus 15. 9 minus 15 by 2, because over here what we'll do, we'll convert these into the same. So 6x minus 8y minus 15 equals 0. We'll divide it by 2 because over here we have 3x and 4y. So the second equation also we have to bring it in the form of 3x plus 3x minus 4y only. So therefore when we'll divide it by 2, the C1 for first equation was 9, C2 for second equation is minus 15 by 2. So it will be minus minus plus C1 minus C2 upon square root of a square plus b square. Now the value of a and b is same for both the equations. Thus here we'll get 100. So it is, so the value now it will be 3 square. So 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4 square is 16. So it will be, here we'll get out to, here we'll get 5. When we'll solve it to 18 plus 5, 15, 33 by 2 into 5. Thus the perpendicular distance is 10. So here are the two methods to solve the same question. First, what we did, we calculated the coordinate from here. We assumed y as 0 and we calculated x. So we applied the first concept. Now since we were knowing that these two lines are parallel, so second equation we converted it into the form of the first equation only, in which a and b values are same. Thus then we applied formula C1 minus C2 divided by a square plus b square. Coming on to next question. Find the coordinates of the point of the lines 2x minus y plus 3 equals 0, x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. Since they are asking us to find the coordinates of the point of the lines, so we have to solve these two equations. We'll solve these two equations by any one of the method, that is substitution, elimination or cross multiplication. So from first equation, we'll calculate the value of x. So 2x is equals to y minus 3. X will be y minus 3 by 2. This is the value of x. Putting this value of x in equation number 2, so we'll get y minus 3 by 2 plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. So thus we'll get y minus 3 plus 4y minus 8 equals 0. So 5y minus 11 equals 0. So 5y is equals to 11. The value of y will be 11 by 5. Now since we have got the value of y over here, so now we'll be solving x. X is equals to y minus 3 by 2. Y is 11 by 5 minus 3 by 2. So 11 minus 15 by 10, which is minus 4 by 10. So these are the points, these are the coordinate of the point of the line, that is 2x minus y plus 3 equals 0 and x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0. Coming on to next question. The next question is that the lines x minus y minus 6 equals 0, 4x minus 3y minus 20 equals 0 and 6x plus 5y plus 8 equals 0. These three lines are concurrent, we have to show. So for showing three lines to be concurrent, what we have to do, we'll find the value of x and y from first and second equation, and whatever value of x and y we'll get from first and second equation, we'll substitute in the third equation, and when we'll get LHS is equals to RHS, thus we conclude that these three lines are concurrent. So solving first and second equation, from first equation we'll first find the value of x. X is equals to y plus 6. Substituting the value of x in second equation, we'll get 4 into y plus 6 minus 3y minus 20 equals 0. We'll get 4y plus 24 minus 3y minus 20 equals 0. Thus 4y minus 3y will get y. 24 minus 20 is 4. So the value of y is equals to minus 4. So x will be y plus 6 minus 4 plus 6, which is equal to 2. So the value of x is what? 2. Now since we have to show that these three lines are congruent, so we'll put x and y in third equation. So the third equation is 6x, so 6 into 2 plus 5y, 5 into minus 4 plus 8 equals 0. So 6 into 2 is 12 minus 20 plus 8. Thus, when we'll solve it, we'll get 0 is equals to 0. Since LHS is equals to RHS, so we proved that these three lines are concurrent. Now, the common point of intersection is the value of x and y. So, x is 2 and y is minus 4. So, 2 minus 4 is the common point of intersection of these three lines. Coming on to next question. The next question is we have to find the equation of line which is parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0, and it passes through the point passes through the point 5 minus 6, that is xy is 5 minus 6. So we'll first find the slope of this equation because this equation will be parallel to this points. So the slope of this equation will come out to be 2y is equals to 3x plus 5. So y is equals to 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2. Thus m1 is equals to 3 by 2. Now since they have said that we have to find the equation of line which is parallel to this line. Since m1 is 3 by 2, now m1 is equals to m2 in case of parallel line. So m2 will be 3 by 2. Now since we have got slope also, we have got point also. So substituting the values, that is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. y1 is over here minus 6. So we'll write plus 6. M is 3 by 2 into x minus 5. Solving this equation, 2y plus 12 equals 3x minus 15. Thus shifting each and every equation to that side, we'll get 3x minus 2y equals minus 27 equals 0. So this is equation of a line which is parallel to the given line, that is 3x minus 2y plus 5. So in today's video, we studied how to calculate the distance of a line from a point, distance between two lines, and we also studied the concurrent lines. We also studied how to find the equation of a line which is parallel to a given line. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.